Reports of child abuse on the rise in Colorado. It's in part because abuse likely underreported during the pandemic. Bill Folsom looking into the numbers, what they mean. He joins us live outside the Child Advocacy Center, Safe Passage. Bill.
Yeah, numbers are up, and that means a lot more kids are getting help here at Safe Passage. It is a center that is setting a new standard for child advocacy in Colorado. The child advocates here say we need to all learn from those numbers. From first glance, staff at Safe Passage want kids to see and think kid-friendly.
It's meant for you as a child, right? So you know from the minute you're here that this place is about you.
It's a months-old renovated facility that also updates the way it helps kids. Previously, kids dealing with abuse would have to bounce around the city to police stations, hospitals, and human services.
And they're having to tell it again and again and again.
Now, Safe Passage is the only center in Colorado with advocates, police, forensic nurses from UC Health, mental health pros, and prevention experts all under one roof, and all working together for kids.
To tell the story one time only and being able to move through our process to help achieve healing and hopefully justice.
Too many kids have stories of physical and sexual abuse to tell.
I see 6 or 8 in a day in a busy day.
Numbers that went down during the pandemic are back up. Child abuse reports for 2021 went up statewide by 8% to nearly 209,000. In 2020, abuse reports were just over 193,000.
What you had during the pandemic was a break in that ability to build trust. So the kiddos were not with outside caregivers, they were not with their teachers or their school counselors or those that they build those relationships with. And then reports went down. Reporting
is the start to a solution. Advocates help kids. Often that also requires helping families.
Supports around coping skills, parenting, is there food insecurity? You know, what are the stressors that are going on that are leading to these issues?
And this new model, bringing all these agencies together under one roof, took a lot of coordination, support, also a lot of time. The advocates here, they initiated the idea, but they got on board people like the mayor and the chief of police, and that really pushed this forward. In Colorado Springs, Bill Folsom, News 5.
Bill, thank you. Take a look at your screen.